Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with Continental Tool Group. I'd like to introduce to you the UT8724 Precision Die Grinder. It's powered by a 0.45 horsepower oil-free motor with machined carbon fiber blades designed to eliminate oil contamination in sensitive environments. Running at 20,000 RPM, it is a Boeing certified for aerospace grade reliability. Lightweight at 1.1 pounds and 6.5 inches long with a 1/4 inch precision 3-piece collet. The UT8724 is built for continuous use in aerospace and advanced fabrication environments. When you need precision and contamination-free performance, the UT8724 delivers.